Dear students of English Literature, class 12th, today our topic is the heritage of India. The last portion of this chapter, that is paragraph number 5. Let's see what is this paragraph number 5. We entitled this paragraph Change in Modern India. This is the title that we have mentioned about the paragraph. Now let's start. What is this paragraph number 5? Much that was useless in ancient Indian culture. We have been talking about Indian heritage in the previous paragraphs, and in this paragraph number 5, the writer says, useless means that is of no use in ancient culture has already perished. Perished means finished or given up. The Indian people have already gave up all negative things, evil deeds of our culture. The extravagant and barbarous hectombs. The extravagant means in which there is a vestige of money. Barbarous means full of cruelty. Hectomb means sacrifice of living beings. We have given up. It means we have given up all these sacrifice and misuse of money long time ago. It was the feature of the Vedic age, that is not now. Have long since been forgotten means have long since been given up. We are not doing now. Though, however, animal sacrifice continues in some sects. Sects means in some social groups. In some part of society, animal sacrifice is being done even today in this modern age. But widows have long ceased. Ceased means stopped to be burned on their husband's pyre. Pyre means a heap of wood, pieces of wood on which the dead body of husband was laid, and it caught fire and that body burned to ashes. This is the method of Hindu cremation. There was a bad deed in Indian culture that the wife of the person that was lying on that pyre was also forced to die, to be burned with the dead body of her husband. It was checked after independence. It was stopped after independence. Girls may not be by law married in childhood. Second evil of our society was also given up, was also finished. Girls were married in minor age, and that was banned. In buses and trains all over India, Brahmins rub shoulder with lowest caste, means the discrimination of highest caste and lowest caste was disappearing rapidly. And in buses, while traveling, there was no discrimination. Everybody was traveling peacefully without any biased thoughts. Without conscious of grey pollution, generally by the word pollution we understand water pollution, air pollution, but this is the pollution of thought, means casteism was the pollution of thought, and that was disappearing at that time. And one more thing was there, the temples are open to all by law. And another feature of modern India was that temple was for everybody. By law, everybody was allowed to go and worship there. There was no matter of higher and lower caste, because caste was vanishing that time. That's why the writer said caste is vanishing, because it is the chapter of that time. The process began long ago, means this activity started long time ago, but its pace means speed. Its speed is now so rapid, is so grooming high, that more objectionable features, means that more bad features of caste have disappeared within a generation or so, may have disappeared. It means the writer expects that the more objectionable features, the bad features of our culture that is remaining somewhere will definitely be finished in a year or two in coming time soon. The old family system is adapting itself to present day conditions, means our families are accepting present day conditions, and they are changing themselves. In fact, the whole face of India is altering. The whole face means every part of India, every field of India, society of India is getting itself changed, but its cultural tradition continues and it will never be lost. But the main thing is, as per the heritage of India, the culture of India will never finish, it will continue. Maybe we are going to change something new, we are going to be updated, but our culture will remain as it is. This is the end of the chapter. Thanks.